GM De Guzman is a Filipino actor, mixed martial artist, model and singer. He was born on September 9, 1988 in Manila, Philippines. He is currently working as an exclusive talent of Star Magic. GM De Guzman's mother is Han Carteciano Gob while his father is Ronniel De Guzman. JM started his career as a print and TV model. He was a cast in Ang TV2, where his batchmates include Shaina Magdayao and Denise Laurel. During his elementary and high school years, he studied at Lourdes School of Quezon City. De Guzman is a cousin of fellow singer Klarisse de Guzman, first runner-up of The Voice of the Philippines. In 2018, he was cast as leading man in PHR series Arrow Gavi and paired with former Girlfriends member Barbie Imperial, who has been claimed having a strong chemistry with him, form a love team called Even by fans. In February 2018, he became a member of the acoustic group Asaf Jambayan, replacing Kyle Kell, who left the group after prior commitments. In late 2013 to 2014, De Guzman underwent rehab due to drug abuse and entered a rehab facility for 17 months. Prior to that, he was in a relationship with actress Jessie Mandiola for 2 years. They broke up sometime in 2013, citing De Guzman's drug abuse as the main contributor of the breakup. In late 2014, after De Guzman's completion of his rehabilitation and a hiatus for over a year, he made a showbiz comeback and rekindled his relationship with Mandiola, which lasted for 5 months before breaking up for the second time. His reported problematic attitude on the set of the 2015 Metro Manila Film Festival entry Walang Forever led to his replacement in the movie by actor Jericho Rosales. In 2015, after a series of disturbing and cryptic messages posted on his Instagram account, De Guzman later apologized and stated via Instagram post that Mandiola was not the reason for this second breakup, nor she and the station ABS-CBN would be blamed for his recent actions and behavior. He further claimed that he has been recently struggling with anxiety attacks, depression and bipolar disorder. His last appearance on ABS-CBN in the 2015 romantic comedy series All of Me with Albert Martinez, Ian Santos and Aaron Villaflor. De Guzman's Star Magic talent contract expired on November 16, 2015. His biggest break so far is playing the lead role as Gabriel Maglayan, originally played by actor Rico Yan in ABS-CBN's 2011 remake of Mula sa Puso. Upon getting the role, De Guzman has proven that he is one of the most promising young actors these days, as he also presents a very good chemistry with the cast, especially with Lauren Young, who plays Vaya Pereira, his character's love interest in the series. De Guzman auditioned and was later cast in the 2009 Cinemalaya film Last Super Number 3. The independent film was where Direct Lauren Diogi, business unit head of ABS-CBN. Diogi found him and asked to audition for Midnight Phantom. He passed the audition and starred as the best friend of Rafael Rosel, who plays the title role. He was cast in the new PHR series Lina and paired with his Midnight Phantom co-actor Cherry Pineda, who has been claimed having chemistry by the fans. In 2006, he joined the UP Wrestling Club and eventually became its president and a decorated athlete. He won medals in various competitions sanctioned by the Wrestling Association of the Philippines, wherein he represented the UP Wrestling Club or the Quezon City wrestling team. In 2007, he won a silver medal for Quezon City during the Philippine Olympic Festival National Capital Region qualifying round. In 2005, he was accepted at the University of the Philippines in Diliman, where he took a certificate in theater arts, majoring in performance studies. He apprenticed as an actor and production staff under the university's college-based theatre group Dueling EP.